Good morning, class. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Wanted to make a video for this week and just kind of let you know what's going on. Also thought I'd show you my lovely face and my very frizzy hair. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. It was a 3-day weekend. I don't know, because we're already at home, it kind of didn't feel like a true 3-day weekend because it's like, well, I'm still not going anywhere, so whatever. But it's okay. We had a great weekend. I hope you got to just spend time with your family and make some awesome memories. So I'm gonna put you down. You are in my kitchen. I'm making coffee right now to really get the day started. I just worked out. And so I hope you guys are staying active. It's definitely a very, very helpful way for you to not feel like so pent up with all your energy. So I work out about an hour a day, and it definitely helps me because even as an adult, I have energy that I need to get out and working out, exercise, all sorts of fun things. I know a lot of y'all have the Just Dance, or you can find all sorts of videos on YouTube that you can watch. And I know Coach Crawford's been posting some activities for you guys to do. But definitely try to do some fun, engaging activities that involve physical activity and, make some art, do different fun things with technology. Make sure you're just really just having a good time, kind of like how you would in school. Like, we didn't just do my class and Miss John's class all day. You guys had other opportunities to do different things throughout the day. So make sure you guys are doing that. So, yes. Also, Miss Worthy decided that she wanted to paint her nails, or get her nails done at the nail salon for the first time ever. And then they closed all the stinking salons. So now my hands look crazy. They look like I let a 3-year-old paint my nails. So, anyways, sorry guys. I just wanted to have a good time with you guys. So this week I posted on Google Classroom a list of the assignments, okay? So you have 7 total assignments this week. 7 total. So make sure you look at that list. Something that I recommend. Some of you guys like to write stuff down. And so maybe you want to write down those 7 assignments on a sheet of notebook paper, or you have a notebook, or you can highlight those from the post that I made and copy and paste it to a Google Doc or something on your computer. And a big thing that I would suggest, because some of you guys are like, I'm just not sure if I'm doing everything or if I'm getting everything done. Start checking those off, or deleting them on the Google Doc. Okay, once I've read Edison's Best Inventions, let me just mark it off. That way you guys know, okay, what have I done and what have I not done? That's why I decided to make that clear list for you guys, and I put when it's due and where it's at, so you guys know exactly what to expect when it comes to the assignments. So make sure that you're looking at that. I've posted all the assignments for the week already. You only have 2 assignments on HMH this week, which are read the Edison's Best Inventions and then take the really short quiz afterwards. Those are the only 2 things that you have. Everything else is on Google Classroom this week. Everything else. So read the story, take the quiz, and you're done with HMH for the week. That's it. There's only 1 story this week. So make sure you're paying attention to that, and almost for every assignment except for your writing assignment, I've given you notes or something to study to help you complete that assignment. So I'll go over these things obviously on our Zoom meetings, but I've also given you notes to refer to when you are completing these assignments, because I know that sometimes you'll forget what I say, and I'm not allowed to record our meetings anymore, so you can't go back and look. So this is an easier way for you guys to be like, okay, how do I do this, what do I do? And you can go back and look at the notes that I made for that specific topic so that you know how to do it. I would prefer on your spelling test that you not use your spelling list to take the test. That's not an accurate representation of your knowledge. But the other stuff, I don't mind if you use the notes because it's not giving you the answers per se, except on the vocab, but I don't care on that. Like that one, I want you to look at it and fill in the blank. So look at those. Today, the only thing that you have today technically is start the writing assignment for the caption, for the invention caption assignment, which is on Google Classroom, and read the story on HMH, Edison's Best Inventions. And then you can work on your vocabulary assignment like we've been doing every week. I posted the definitions and the assignment, and that's on Google Classroom. And then I also have the spelling list that you guys can start studying. You do not have to take the test today. That is not what it's saying. It's not what it's saying. Technically, you don't need to take the test till Friday, but I posted the test and the list. So really what you want to look at is you can just look at the list and study the list right now if you need to for a couple days. Some of you may just want to take it. That's up to you. But don't think I'm saying take the spelling test today. Just study the words and be okay. So you'll do that, and then again, I emailed all of you guys, not all of you, but I emailed some of you if I was missing work from you. So if I was missing work from you from the past 2 weeks, then I emailed you. In the subject line, it said, what assignment? And then in the actual email, it tells you where the assignment is and what you need to do in that assignment. So I'm gonna need y'all to turn that in because this is a pass-fail thing right now. And if I don't have work from you, I can't pass you. And that's not good for you to fail. You still have to learn, you still have to turn in assignments, you still have to do things. So not turning in stuff, you will fail. You will fail the last 9 weeks. I'm just gonna be point blank honest with you. If you're trying and you're doing stuff and you're working with me and you're doing what you're gonna do, you're gonna pass. But if you don't turn anything in, or you turn like one thing in a week, I can't pass you. I can't. And I don't know what that means for you. So that's up to the school as far as that. But I'm just trying to let you know, you really need to make sure that you're doing your work. So make sure you look into that. If you didn't get an email from me about any missing assignments, then you're good. No need to worry. And let's see, we're doing Zoom today. So check your email. I invited you. Within that invitation, it tells you the meeting ID and the password that you need to get into the meeting. You will not be able to join before I do, and I will get on probably about 1:50. So if you try to get on before 1:50, it will tell you that you cannot get on. Just throw that out there. Doesn't mean that you have the wrong information. It's just the host, your girl, has to be on. That's part of why we're using Zoom too. So, and then once I leave the meeting, at the end of the meeting when Ms. Johns is done, then y'all won't be able to stay on. So it'll shut all of you guys out. So just so you know that. So those are the new things this week. I've made a very clear list of what needs to be done. Please make sure to look at it and follow it. And I'll be going over the assignments and what needs to happen with them. And I can share my screen better on Zoom than I could on Google Hangout. So I'll go over the assignments that need to be done each day. I will not go over the whole week, but I will go over the exact assignments that we will be covering that week, like that day. So that way you know, and then you can complete those. If you choose to move ahead and have questions, I will tell you you're gonna have to wait until that day comes that we're talking about it. So, because I wanna discuss that day, just like in class, I would talk about what's happening on Monday. I wouldn't tell you Friday, I would talk about Monday. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll take your questions over those assignments, but I would really appreciate if you would watch this video before you ask questions. you would look at the list, you would look at everything first before asking me questions about stuff that like I've clearly put out there for you to help you. So make sure we do that, and I think that we'll be good to go, and I will see you at 2 o'clock. Again, I'll probably be on there about 1:50, but I won't be on there any earlier than that for you guys to log in, and I also have to approve you to log in. So just know, like, it'll take me like approving you guys to come in once you type in the password, and then once you guys come in, I control if you're on mute or not, and I also can control the chat and who you can chat with. So Zoom gives me a lot more control. So love you guys. I will see you at 2, and make sure you answer your attendance questions. Peace out, Girl Scouts.